science. Now today we are going to discuss the topic distance time graph. Distance time graph. How would you plot a graph between distance and time? Suppose here time in second and distance in meter. Distance time in 0 second 0 meter, 1 second 5 meter, 2 second 10 meter, 3 second 15 meter, 4 second 20 meter. This is the distance time table. Now from this distance time table we can plot a graph. To plot a graph between distance and time, we represent time along x-axis and distance along y-axis. Here distance in meter, origin, and time in second. So here time is taken along the x-axis. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you take 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. And distance is taken along the y-axis, that is 0 meter, 5, 10, 15. So here 5, 10, 15, 20. Now all we see this table, zeros to 0. Now in 1 second the body travels 5 meter. So you move along the vertical, and from here distance in time meter, that is 5. Again in 2 seconds the body travels 10 meter. In 3 seconds the body travels 15 meter, and in 4 meter travels 20 meter. Now we join the line from these points. So when we join these 1, 2, 3, 4 lines from the origin, it becomes a straight line. So from this graph, if we plot a graph between time and distance, we obtain a straight line OA. So from this graph we observe that the body travels equal distances in equal interval of time. So this graph represents uniform motion. This graph represents uniform motion. It is the graph of uniform motion. Because in 1 second the car or body travels 5 meter. In 2 seconds 10 meter, in 3 seconds 15 meter, in 4 seconds 20 meter. Here you can also show that in 0 minus 1, that is 1 second, or 1 minus final time minus initial time, 1 minus 0, that is in 1 second the car travels 5 meter. 2 minus 1, 1 second the car travels 10 minus 5, 5 meter. Again 15 minus 10, 5 meter. 20 minus 15, 5 meter. Here 3 minus 2, 1 meter, and 4 minus 3, 1 meter. 1 second. So in this table you see in each second, here 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. In each second, 1 second, the body travels only 5 meter. So if a body travels equal distances, that is 5 meter, in equal interval of time 1 second, then the body is said to have uniform motion. Now another case, how it is said to be non-uniform motion. You plot a graph x-axis, y-axis. Here 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here time in second, and here distance in meter. For the non-uniform graph, suppose in 0 second 0 meter, in 1 second 5 meter, 2 second 7 meter, 3 second 10 meter, and 4 second 15 meter. From this graph 0 to 0, again in 1 second it is travels 5 meters. So here this point. In 2 seconds 7. In 3 seconds 10. And in 4 seconds so this graph is, so here the body does not travel equal distances in equal interval of time. Here 2 minus 1, 1 second. Here 7 minus 5, 2 meter. Here 3 minus 2, 1 second. 10 minus 7, 3 meter. 15 minus 10, 5 meter, and 4 minus 3, 1 second. So here the car travels in first second 2 meter, in second second, the end of second second 3 meter, and the end of third 4 second it is, that is 5 meter. So here the graph, when you plot a graph between distance and time, it does not obtain any straight line that passing through the origin. It is a curved line. So this graph represents the non-uniform motion. Thank you.